Hey guys, I'm Matt Pittman, award-winning pitmaster and founder of Meat Church Barbecue. Today, I'm here to give you guys pro tips to help you on your grilling and barbecue journey. Let's talk about marinating, brining, or injecting. For me, it's a way to impart moisture into my meat and potentially flavor depending how much or how long you go with one of these methods. If you're brining, that's really going to impart moisture into your meat and it's not really changing the profile too much. You don't want to brine too long though, or your meat's going to end up being salty. If you marinate, that's an option to really change the flavor profile of your meat. The longer you marinate, the more that meat is going to take on that flavor of that marinade. Injecting is a way to make sure you're deep down into those meats. And if you're going to inject, I would push the plunger as you're pulling the needle out so you have a nice even application and you don't leave just some big pocket. And no matter what you're brining or marinating in, just make sure your containers are food safe. For all your outdoor cooking needs, visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors or academy.com.